Welcome back to Math Video Tutorials, and thank you for tuning in. In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at this exercise. Alright, this is a quick video on how to differentiate this. We want dy by dx in terms of x or y. Alright, so let's differentiate this implicit function. We're going to do it term by term using the dash notation. So this is one term, this is another term, this is yet another term. So this is a term where you have x squared cos x, so we need to, there's a product there, so we need to use the product rule for differentiating. Same here and here. So what I like to do, just to show the working out, right, and finally 3x squared y all dash. Now applying the product rule, so you need to differentiate x squared first, times it by cos x, plus x squared times the derivative of cos x. So this is for this term. Now for this term here, y squared differentiated first times sin x plus y squared times the derivative of sin x. So that's the left hand side completed. Now let's do the right hand side in a similar way. 3x squared differentiated times y plus 3x squared derivative of y. So let's go back and differentiate this one here. Differentiating x squared is just 2x, so that's 2x times cos x. And then here the derivative of cos x is minus, so I need to change that to minus. So it's going to be x squared sin x. Again, just to remind you, this minus comes from the fact that the derivative of cos x is negative sin x. Derivative of y squared, you need to apply the chain rule, because you need to first to differentiate it with respect of y. That will give you 2y. And then you differentiate it with respect of x, which will give you dy by dx. That's very important to bear that in mind. And of course, times sin x. This one here is y squared. The derivative of sine is cos. Alright, let's do this one quickly. Derivative of y with respect of y is going to be 1, and then it should be multiply 3x squared times dy by dx. Okay, so we completed the differentiation process. So we need to bring together all the dy by dx. We got two of them, this one here and this one here. So we're going to make dy by dx the subject. So we factorize it first because it is a common factor, 2y sin x. And then this one will bring it to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x squared. Now on the other side, everything has to go to the other side. This one is already there, 6xy. This one has to move to the right hand side, becomes minus y squared cos x. This one as well, it becomes plus x squared sin x. And then this one also will change to negative 2x cos x. Now to make this a subject, so we need to divide by the expression inside the bracket. So dy by dx is equal 6xy minus y squared cos x plus x squared sin x, and minus 2x cos x. And then we divide it by this without a bracket, of course. That's 2y sin x minus 3x squared. And that's the answer we're looking for. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and take care.